Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam, and this is Fire Chief Arborvitae from the Southern Living Plant Collection. I actually sold these to a friend of mine a couple years ago, and they've just grown beautifully in this space, and I wanted to show them off. I guess we're about a little over 2 feet tall now and maybe 3 to 4 feet wide. That's about what you can expect out of Fire Chief. It has a perfect little globe habit like this with pretty much no maintenance. This one was selected as a sport of a Rheingold arborvitae, and the reason it was selected is Rheingold used to split open pretty badly once it got to some mature size, and this one does not. It resists that. It also is more resistant to sunburn and windburn. Really stunningly beautiful, super low maintenance plant. It comes out in the spring and it has kind of a gold foliage, new foliage. And then over the course of the summer, it becomes gets a little bit of an orange tinge to it that you can see right now. And then that orange becomes brighter and brighter and more vivid red as the fall comes on into autumn and winter. Here's more of a close-up of this foliage. It's super soft to the touch. These are hardy in zone 5 to 8, so most people watching me can actually grow this plant. No real special planting requirements or anything like that. Raise it up a little bit if you have clay soils. When you plant it, it's going to prefer sun or part shade. That's where you're going to get the best color from. And again, this is right here at the beginning of September in my area in central North Carolina. And you can see this orange color on the tips right here, which, like I say, is going to get brighter and brighter red as the fall comes on. Fire Chief is very insect and disease resistant. Really don't see many problems with this plant at all. Deer will graze on arborvitae if you have a heavy deer population. Definitely not at the top of their list of things to eat. These can be pruned in the late winter, probably anytime through spring and early summer if you needed to give it a little bit of a shear, if it had a crazy limb on it or something like that. But really, they don't require any pruning. These have not been pruned in the 2 years that they've been in the ground. He does fertilize them in the late winter with a slow release fertilizer, and that's pretty much all you need. So as you can see, these make great foundation plants. They also make great container plants, and also look great in any kind of mixed border. Where you could probably put these, within 3 feet apart or so and have them become one single border plant or edging plant. But as he's done here, he's left them probably, I would say, 6 to 7 feet apart. And so they're going to stay separated like this over time. And they're just that perfect globe shape without really doing anything at all to them. So thank you very much for watching this video. I wanted to show you these. Because I ride past them every day, and I thought you guys would like to see what a Fire Chief Arborvitae looks like after it's been in the ground for a couple of years.